good morning everybody. Jim from Jim's Coleus. When will the rain stop? Here in New Jersey, we are getting so much rain. Got some hot weather coming in at the end of the week, but check this monster out. The only benefit is this, the growth. It is amazing. This is really turned out to be a beautiful, beautiful Coleus. I did shelter a lot of my Coleus because they've been just getting way too much rain. So I have some of them in the greenhouse, other I put underneath tables. Even Bobo's like, what is going on with the rain? Some of them I left out, but it really, I mean, it's really marked growth. I noticed that the Defiance is really starting to come in. There's it looks like a Spitfire, but it's actually an old Jazz. I purchased two of those. It's an Alligator Alley coming in. The Saturn Rings is really starting to kick in. So yeah, I sheltered some of them under here. I put one of these, actually I'm going to move this back in, because it's really been, you know, some of these, they were all well-drained pots, and I'm not worried about root rot necessarily, because it's going to dry out shortly. When the rain's supposed to let up to tomorrow, but well-drained pots will keep the roots from getting swollen, and which eventually causes Coleus to die. It's starting to pick up again here. Check out these window box planters. I mean, they really exploded overnight, it seems. Again, you're not going to be able to see the pots. And again, over here, really have to trim this here. We'll get to that. This one I moved. This one was on the other side of the yard, but this particular Valentine did not handle sun well. This is what I was getting to about experience and experimenting, knowing your yard, finding a sweet spot, and different Coleus react to different sun and shade. They love sun and shade. Direct sun is not for all Coleus. This was not doing well. The leaves were curling up, I mean really curling up, and then they wouldn't go back. So I trimmed them and I moved them here to a place that gets a lot more shade, and it's come back. It's really looking fabulous. And that includes the Boston fern. It's good to get them out in the rain. I don't have an awning or a porch to keep them out in the shade, so I bring them out on cloudy days, or I keep them out in the shade where I can and then move them. But this is a perfect day for the Boston fern. There's Mama. Where was she? Who was there a few minutes ago? There she is. There she is underneath the hedge, keeping an eye on her nest, keeping dry. Haven't seen the babies yet. They should be in another this week or another week at tops. Okay, so we got to get in because the groomer's coming to give Bobo an oil change and a tune-up. So go ahead, buddy. He doesn't like the rain. And we'll close out by taking a look at this beautiful, beautiful Coleus once again. Have a great week, everybody. Thanks for watching Jim's Coleus.